In this video, you'll learn how to deposit money on Binance. By following these steps, you will successfully add funds to your account, whether using fiat currency or cryptocurrency. Begin by navigating to the Binance website. If you're not already signed in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once logged in, locate the wallet option in the navigation menu, often found at the top of the screen. Click on wallet to open a drop-down menu and then select deposit from the available options. At this point, you will need to choose between depositing fiat currency or cryptocurrency. Keep in mind that the available methods for fiat deposits may vary depending on your region and verification status. It is crucial to review these options carefully to ensure your account is eligible for the desired deposit method. Next, you will select your preferred deposit method. If you choose to deposit fiat, options may include bank transfer or credit card. Click on the method you wish to use and then enter the amount of money you want to deposit. Before confirming the transaction, take a moment to review any fees associated with your selected method, as well as the estimated processing time. This information is important as it can affect how quickly the funds will be available in your account. Follow the on-screen instructions precisely and avoid closing the application during this process to prevent any interruptions. Remember that entering incorrect details can lead to delays in your deposit. After entering the necessary information, submit your deposit request. The system will begin processing your transaction, which can vary in time depending on the method you selected. During this period, it is essential to monitor the status of your deposit. You can check this by navigating to the transaction history section within your wallet. Once the transaction is complete, refresh your wallet balance to see the updated amount. If needed, save any confirmation details provided at this stage for your records. If the funds do not appear in your account after a reasonable amount of time, it is advisable to contact Binance support for assistance. They can help you resolve any issues that may have occurred during the deposit process. Ensuring you have all relevant details handy will facilitate a quicker resolution. This step is necessary to confirm that your deposit was successful and that your funds are secure. That wraps up today's guide on how to deposit money on Binance. Thank you for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.